Welcome back to our blog of interviews coming from the Vivatech conference in Paris. I'm extremely pleased to introduce you today a company which many consider one of the next unicorns. It is called Storefront, and we have met with Félix Motoso, the general manager of Storefront for France.
Storefront is a platform that connects brands, e-commerce businesses, artists with space owners of retail spaces. We allow these brands to rent these spaces for short-term periods, to organize pop-up stores, showrooms, etc. And we often described as Airbnb of retail, Airbnb of pop-up store. Storefront is founded by Mohamed Awash and Adrien Kerbrat. They were working in Wall Street, brokers in New York. And the story is quite simple. A friend of Mohamed and Adrien was looking for a space in Paris to launch a jewelry brand, I think. And she was looking to rent a store for 3 months, and it was just impossible. Obviously, the brokers were interested in long-term lease, so they were not acknowledging a call. And the only way to find this kind of spaces was to look and dig on Le Bon Coin on platforms that were not meant to do that. So they started a pop-up IMO at the time with this kind of value proposition, and the growth of pop-up IMO allowed them to buy Storefront, which was the main competitor at the time, the US competitor. They merged the two companies, and now Storefront is the global leader on this short-term rental vertical. The company exists since 2014. We are open now in 30 cities on 4 continents. We have offices in New York, Paris, London, Amsterdam, Milan, Hong Kong, Singapore and Montreal. We have the largest listing of spaces available for short-term duration online. Over 10,000 spaces available online. And we worked since 2014 with over 100,000 of brand designers, space owners, this kind of players. It's quite simple. If you're an owner, it's gonna look like Airbnb. So you register on the platform. We have to validate your space. So we take a look at the space, the neighborhood, the pictures. The pictures are very, very important. So either you have like good quality pictures, or we can send you a photograph to take pictures of your place. And then you're online. We train you on obviously how to answer to a request when it comes on the platform, how to negotiate a price. You have a small training and onboarding with our supply team, and then you're ready to go. For the brand, you have 2 options. Either you want to look on the platform for the space, the perfect space, and it's gonna have exactly the same look and feel as on Booking.com or Airbnb. So you're going to look the city, the neighborhood. Then you're going to filter by budget, by size, etc. And then you'll be able to engage directly with the space owner. We are the first and the only one that allow you to talk directly to the space owner. If you don't find the space that fits your needs, the perfect space, you can ask a local concierge, Storefront member, that will send you proposition and help you in your search, help you in your negotiation, and help you to close the deal. I'm gonna give you my personal feedback. It's not necessarily the company stock, but as an entrepreneur, I had my company before. I've been working in tech for about 10 years, something like this. I think it's obviously one of the exits that could happen when you see the rhythm of acquisition of players such as Airbnb, such as Accor, big real estate or leisure players. When you see that that in this market of real estate, of retail, and of the short-term retail, none of the players is doing better than Storefront right now. I think it's quite I don't know, not obvious, but it's something you can quite easily imagine. We are raising right now. I think the idea is to keep the growth going. We'll probably raise again if things go according to plan, which has been the case for the past 5 years. But yeah, I think it's an exit you have to think about.